Time for me to get myself a new vacuum cleaner. So this is what I got myself. So it's a Devanti 250 watt one stick cordless vacuum cleaners. It's 250 watt and all that. Of course, made in China and all that. It's no sponsorship or anything like that. It's more the simple fact is it's something that I inherited from my nana 25 years ago when she passed away. So you understand why. It's not too sure where you can actually get it from, but I got this from the Woolworths or your Everyday Market rewards side thing they got. So be pretty interested to see what it's got, because it's not terribly expensive. Nothing like a Dyson or anything like that. It costs like 135 bucks, even though I got it on special. It's one good way to check it out and see what it's like. See what's in here. One manual. Some wall hooks. Wall hooks. Vacuum head. Looks like we've got some instruction to do, but there's a brush head, nozzle, fancy thing, looks like, whatever. Don't know what that's for. Vacuum head. Charger. And cylinder. Let's get everything out of its bag. Leave them in there for now. What was that? Over there. Charger out. Don't worry about charging it up. Oh, the size of it, the length of it. Crunching down like crazy here. Gee whiz. Oh. Hasn't seen very long. Let me just stand up for a sec. Oh, it's not too bad. Even though it's powered up and everything ready to go, I might just give it a charge up and everything. Give it a good, make sure it's well done up and everything. It does the job, but so I see the way the max line is, it's still like it fills up pretty dang quick. That was actually something I was looking at where I was like having it on charge. Like, it's not real big. So like probably one of those ones you could probably do a room, then you probably need to think about emptying out before you move on to the next room. So probably meant for the small jobs more than the large jobs. So I definitely wouldn't recommend it for anything like a full-on apartment or something. Or full-on family house basically. Probably good for like probably a small apartment or something like that. Something like what I got is probably see from earlier. So like I had to empty it out before I could move on. So like pretty much filled it up twice there basically. Close to it. Just doing my 2-bedroom house basically, or 2-bedroom apartment I should say. So, but also too, got to be careful too with the roller here. It is mechanicalised and stuff like that. It did get caught up with a whole heap of like loose stuff they got wrapped around the rollers here and stuff like that. Had to undo it all and found out it's pretty easy to get it out and everything else like that. So the latches in. So as much as like you're thinking probably hopefully we'd do something a little bit more better. Well, do the whole house in one hit instead of having to emptying it out halfway through or something like that. It's yeah, it's pretty good and stuff like that. Yeah. Like I said, it's definitely not for someone with a big family home, but for something for like a little shop or apartment or something like that, or office, I won't knock it that way. So yeah, go empty this and go put it away now. So consider subscribing down below. Till next time, have a good one.